So the plan for today is simple: go out, fly the drone. Now all I need to do is figure out all the technical stuff and where all those things are, like the apps and fly, press that and the thing, I'll fly drone, distance, high will be the thing, load of things like that. So now we're getting into the complicated things and I have no idea what's going on here. Simple: go out, fly the drone. Well, yeah, not that simple after all. Someone is coming with a really huge fish here, swordfish. Freshly caught fish. Anyway, we've come here in this place because it's rather quiet compared to the main road where we had previously planned to fly our drone. There's sort of a straight street here, although there's some electricity cables in the way, like here behind us. So I'll try and fly the drone there. What we'll do is jump on our scooter, set the thing up, and hopefully maybe it will drive behind us without getting tangled up in all those wires up there, but we'll see about that. I've not got a tripod, so I'm going to have to stick the camera under the scooter. So I've just connected it, I think. Hopefully the drone doesn't crash in something, but there's not much in the way.
Thank you so much. Welcome to our place. A pleasure.
And we're back. What time is it? About 5 o'clock?
5.
5 o'clock. So it's about 5 o'clock and we've got a few things to sort out for tomorrow, and then we're going to go to a sunset point, to like a viewpoint for sunset. It's not really the best weather conditions, but it's a bit cloudy. First we need to fill up our scooter, because it...
Full.
Yes, full. We're going up there for sunset. It's a good viewpoint. I've got this song of the last YouTube video I made. It's just stuck in my head. I just keep wee-woo, wee-woo. This is the view. Not that, that's Jacqueline.
Welcome to the sunset viewpoint, and there is Mount Agung, which you can't really see because it's covered in clouds.
The tip of Mount Agung is just poking out of the clouds. This turned out to be a stunning sunset. It's all pink, like the sky is all pink now. And that's it from Amed. We'll see you tomorrow in Ubud.